Hello, today we're going to be doing a video on Hugos Meatballs. Um, we're going to do a little variation of it with the meat. For the meatballs, I'll be using ground beef and ground pork. Um, so first, I have my ground beef. My ground pork is already in the bowl. I have a blend of oregano, breadcrumbs, salt, and ground chilies I'm going to be using. So first, I'm going to take my dry ingredients. I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to half it up as I mix. I'm also going to add 1 egg to help keep everything together. Just stick my hand in there and mix all my ingredients together. Make sure you got it all blended in pretty good. Some ingredients in there. Some people like to use gloves when they're mixing. Me, I like to use my hands where I can make sure that I'm getting everything in there and getting that texture in. So I got everything in here blended pretty fairly well. I've been doing a lot of washing my hands during this. Because all of the greases and everything that's in the meat from the fat get kind of sticky and messy. Also kind of like to clean up as I go. Okay, from here, I have a hotel pan that I'm going to place my meatballs on once I form them. In order to get the meatballs a fairly consistent size, I'm going to use this small cup. Form my meatballs. After you get all your meatballs formed, you're going to want to chill them in the refrigerator for a little bit. That way they're sure to maintain their shape. Once you put them in the oven. This recipe is for a serving size for 2 people, and it's definitely something that is going to be pretty good. And we're doing meatballs in. And now that I got my meatballs formed, I'm going to go ahead and place them in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. That way, like I said, that ensures that once I put them in the oven that they're going to stay true to their form. Wash your hands again. Alright, I'm going to place these in the refrigerator and I'll be right back with you. Okay, now the meatballs have been in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. So I'm going to take them out and put them in the oven. I'm going to put them in the oven for about 10 minutes. Then kind of rotate them. Then put them in for another 10, 15 minutes. That way to make sure that they're all brown and cooked. I'm going to keep them on the baking pan that they're in, the hotel pan. And that pan, before I put them on, was greased with olive oil. Keep them from sticking and everything. So, let's put them in the oven. Okay, here are our meatballs. Put them in the oven. Like I said, I had the oven already preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And like I said, the meatballs will stay in the oven for about 10 minutes, and I'll take them out and rotate them, then put them in for another 10 minutes, and they should be done. Alright, so now it's time to take our meatballs out the oven and put our pasta in the water. I already have my water boiling over here. It's now coming up to a rapid boil, so I'm going to go ahead and put the pasta in and then take out our meatballs. Okay, so I already have my pasta pre-measured, so I just got to add it to the water. We can get down. Also, here, take my meatballs out. Okay, as you see, my meatballs are nice and brown. From here, I'm going to take the meatballs, and I also have some tomato sauce that is already on the stove. I'm just going to submerge my meatballs into the spaghetti sauce. You see they come off kind of fairly good since we had the olive oil already in the pan. Like I said, we just gotta let these soak in this tomato sauce. We got both submerged in the tomato sauce. And it is almost time to eat. So, as soon as my pasta finish, we'll be back and we'll show you the finished product. Thank you. All right, so we're back. We're finished. We got the meatballs out, and we're finished. So, there you have it. It is your meatballs. Now doing a little garlic bread just for the extra flavor. But thank you for watching.